Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to see various details on AWS Cloudwatch. So we'll see what is Cloudwatch service and where we use it, how we use it. So let's get started. Starting with what is AWS Cloudwatch. CloudWatch is a monitoring and observability service, provides real-time insights into the health and performance of your AWS resources, collect and track metrics, collect and monitor log files, and set alarms to help you troubleshoot and respond to issues quickly. Main features of AWS or Amazon CloudWatch. So metrics. Amazon CloudWatch Metrics provides a way to collect, store, and monitor metrics that are associated with your AWS resources and application in real time. Alarms. Amazon CloudWatch Alarms allows you to set thresholds for your metrics and receive notifications when the thresholds are breached. Say memory utilization is high, that time alarm would be triggered. So this is one of the example. Logs. Amazon CloudWatch Logs provides a way to monitor, store, and analyze logs from your AWS resources and applications. So in these logs, you can do search, you can do filter and all. You can see in a very detailed way inside the logs, like what is going on. Next, events. So CloudWatch Events provides a way to respond to changes in your AWS environment and automate workflows. So for instance, when particular EC2 is launched, that time the trigger would be or event would be generated or some notification comes to notify that this particular EC2 is launched just now. So this is a typical example of that. Then dashboards. CloudWatch Dashboards provides a way to create customized views of your metrics and logs. API and CLI. CloudWatch provides a comprehensive set of APIs and command line tools that allows you to integrate CloudWatch into your existing workflows and toolchains. So, for instance, you can programmatically use CloudWatch dashboards through API calls, metric monitoring, and AWS CloudWatch. So basically, CloudWatch collect and monitor metrics from your AWS resources. There are pre-built metrics available for different AWS services. You can also create custom metrics. Metrics are actually data points that describe the behavior or performance of your resources. So as I told earlier, like CPU utilization, memory utilization, etc., all are these metrics. Setting up AWS CloudWatch alarms. So alarms can be set up to notify you when certain thresholds or conditions are met. So as I said earlier, that if CPU utilization has gone high, that time some alarm would be generated so that the auto scaling can happen so that the CPU utilization can be balanced. So you could create an alarm that will notify you when CPU utilization on EC2 instance exceeds a certain threshold. So notification can be sent via email, SMS, or other methods. Analyzing logs with AWS CloudWatch. So CloudWatch logs allows you to collect and analyze logs from your AWS resources. CloudWatch logs insight can be used to search and analyze logs. Alarms can be set up to notify you when certain log event occur. Event monitoring with AWS CloudWatch. CloudWatch events allows you to monitor events that occur in your AWS environment. So we can create rules that match certain events and take actions based on those rules. So like you could create a rule that triggers an AWS Lambda function whenever a new EC2 instance is launched. Benefits of AWS CloudWatch: real-time monitoring. This is one of the benefits. So Amazon CloudWatch provides real-time monitoring of AWS resources and applications, allowing you to identify and respond to issues quickly. Improved performance: by monitoring your resources and applications with Amazon CloudWatch, you can identify and optimize resource utilization to improve the overall performance of your systems. Cost optimization: Amazon CloudWatch helps you optimize cost by monitoring resources utilization and providing insights into how you can reduce cost and improve efficiency. Automation: Amazon CloudWatch Events allows you to automate workflows and respond to changes in your AWS environment in real time, reducing the need for manual intervention. Centralized monitoring: with Amazon CloudWatch, you can monitor all of your AWS resources and application in one place, providing a centralized view of your entire environment. So for instance, for EC2, for S3, for different services, you can view all the logs in CloudWatch. So this is centralized monitoring. Customizable dashboards: Amazon CloudWatch dashboards allows you to create customized view of your metrics and logs, providing a visual representation of your systems and helping you identify issues and opportunities for optimization. Scalability: Amazon CloudWatch is designed to scale with your AWS environment, allowing you to monitor and manage large and complex systems with ease. So, conclusion: AWS CloudWatch Service provides a powerful set of tools for monitoring and managing your AWS resources. Metrics, alarms, logs, and events provide deep insights into the health and performance of your resources. You can take actions to ensure your applications and services are running smoothly. So, in a nutshell, CloudWatch is very important service which would provide various details of different services like what is going inside. You can find out, and you this would be very much helpful in diagnose of any kind of issues, especially in production environment where the diagnose is one of the major problem. And by diagnosing the problem, you can resolve the issue, and that way the resolution of the issue is faster. So by means of CloudWatch, you can resolve the issues quickly. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow us on Instagram. And thank you so much for your support. Have a good one. Bye bye.